If you've ever jumped into a game on your Nintendo Switch 2 and felt like the camera or aiming controls are moving the wrong way, you're definitely not alone. This usually comes down to whether invert controls are turned on or off, and different players have completely different preferences for this setting. Some people are used to pushing the stick up to look down, while others expect the opposite, so even a small mismatch can make gameplay feel awkward or uncomfortable. The tricky part is that invert controls aren't always in the same place. They can exist in system settings or inside individual game menus. Once you know where to check, you can quickly switch it to match your playstyle and make everything feel natural again. Try these. Step 1. Go to the home menu on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 2. Open System Settings from the menu. Step 3. Scroll to Controllers and Sensors or similar settings. Step 4. Look for Invert Controls or Stick Direction option. Step 5. Toggle on or off based on your preference. Step 6. Also check in-game settings, as many games have their own invert control option.